Welcome back to the Market Wolf, where I give you the best bear case, the best bull case, and I give you my opinion. We are looking at Caspr. It is 9:53 a.m. Saturday, March 30th. We are approaching the monthly close, and I have you on the monthly time frame of Caspr. If you are a long-term holder of Caspr and you believe in the technology, then this is going to be very pertinent for you. If you were looking for a quick 20, 30, 40, 50x, you're probably not going to be happy about what I have to say right now. But if you are a long-term believer in the technology, this could be a setup for you. I want you to pay attention here because right now we are in a consolidation phase. You can see we have this downward channel with the two white lines. Okay, the structure there is bearish, right? You can see that we have also, though, a purple line here that is a major uptrending support, and we also have a green line that is a smaller uptrending support. This is creating a consolidation phase in our higher time frames, and if we can get on top of this triangle, if we can get price on top of this triangle and get a couple of confirmation candles here, yes, we could have a breakout. Keep in mind that Bitcoin is still in a bull market until it is not. That said, I believe Caspr has some work to do inside of this symmetrical triangle. So, your best bear case, I believe your best bear case in about the medium term is that Caspr would come all the way down to this purple uptrending support line and then catch support, and that might be as low as it goes in the medium term. In the long term, your best bear case is that Caspr breaks all the way down to this former support level at about 24 cents. And if it broke there, the worst bear case would be you're coming all the way down to the bottom of this channel. Now, this high wick right here on this monthly close, because it's about to close that way, that's not a good sign, okay? That could indicate a lot further downside than just getting support in this area. However, I do see signs of reversal on the weekly time frame. So let's go to the best bull case. The best bull case is you get support right here, right where you're at, okay, possibly just a little bit lower. Then you come up and you test the top side of this channel, maybe at around 48 cents or so. You get on top of it, it could be signaling a breakout, okay? So you would want a couple of confirmation candles there, and then, you know, she might be ready to roll. So that's your best bull case. And then, of course, let me show you a measured move on that just so you can see what your potential gains would be off a breakout of Caspr. So an estimate on a breakout of Caspr would take you with the technical move, possibly, and this technical move can change depending on where the breakout is taking place. So this is an estimated breakout area. I have no idea where it could break out, right? So maybe about 83 cents would be where you could go on a breakout with Caspr just to start things, okay? Just to start. Now, let me give you my opinion of what's likely going to happen here. I think that in the short term, we are building some support here. I'm going to take you to the weekly time frame. So I think in the short term, we're trying to build some support, but I think this bear flag is likely to break a little bit lower. I think it's very possible that we end up over a period of time coming down to touch this uptrending green line here. As of now, I have no reason to believe that we could not catch support there at maybe about 34 cents. It's just an estimate. And by the way, this green box is here because that might be an estimated area where if you're looking at Caspr for the first time, maybe that's a buy zone for you, or maybe that's a zone to average down. So that's, you know, roughly between 24 cents. That 24 cents should actually be in there. And then about 36 cents or so. That might be a nice buy zone for you. Okay, so I do anticipate some short-term downtrend. I'll keep an eye on Caspr for you. Sure, it's possible we come down to this longer uptrending purple support, but then understand at some point, whether we get support here, here, or here, there is going to be a back test to the upside more than likely, you know, barring a complete market breakdown. And remember that we are in a bull market right now, as of now. So then you might test the top side here. The takeaway here is that we are in a consolidation phase. We don't know how long that consolidation phase is going to take. And we're going to have to see whether or not we get a break up or a total breakdown. Right now in your consolidation phase, you're chopping between, and you could play this, right, if you wanted to, potentially. Let's just go to the purple line down here for the broader consolidation phase. Oh, you're chopping roughly between, 54% back and forth, just depending. Let's go with a measured move off of the green support. Like, let's say we come down here and we get support maybe around right here at 34 cents. Then if you tested the upside, you've got maybe about 43% to play with. So there is some profit to be had if you're paying attention to this upside. The one thing I will say, so that's my case right now, is just more consolidation until I see some kind of definite confirmation of breakout. I wouldn't say for certain that we're breaking down to these lower levels past this purple uptrending line, although I do have some concern about that based on what I'm seeing on the higher time frames, but I wouldn't 100% say that's a certainty right now. This could turn into a giant M-topping reversal, and then we could break down. So I think you would not want to see a breakdown past 32 cents, because at that point you're likely, definitely, that's becoming an M-topping reversal where you might revisit even 29 cents. So that's also a danger zone, but that's also, possibly a buy zone. You just have to be paying attention. So that's your best bear case. That's your best bull case. That's my opinion. We will see you next time on The Market Wolf.